I hope that you're doing well. I know this has been kind of a weird break with the whole virus, but I'm not worried and I don't want you to be worried either. I want you to know that I miss you, and it was really weird being at school on Monday and Tuesday without having you there. So, I'm going to show you today how things are going to kind of work this week. Next week during spring break, I'm not going to post anything. You're not going to have anything to do. Enjoy your spring break with whatever sort of fun thing that you can do while still being safe around other people. So I'm going to show you how to get to a couple of different things. The first thing you're going to need to know is your email, but if you're watching this video, you already know how to check your email. The second thing you're going to need to do is be able to type in a web address, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like and where to go, and I'll talk about everything. But just know that I care about you and I miss you, and I hope that you are staying safe. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your browser. I'm showing you this on my iPad, but it will work the same if you were on a computer. And you're going to come and you're going to type in the following website. You're going to type in jamiesanchez.eboard.com. So my first name up at the top, .eboard.com. You'll click go, and it's going to ask you for a password. You're going to type in Sanchez, C-H-E-Z, and then our classroom number. Remember, our classroom number is 2005, just like we do on Flipgrid. Then you're going to click submit, and it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to click on each tile. So I'm going to click on ST Math, and it's going to give me instructions on what to do. It says I need to spend 30 minutes on ST Math. If I click on this, guess where it takes me? Oh, on my iPad, it would make me download it. So if you are on a tablet, you'll want to download ST Math, the school version, and then you just log in. But if you're on a computer, this would take you right to where you need it to be. So once I've spent 30 minutes on ST Math, I'm going to come down to the bottom where it says close note. Oops, I'm going to click close note, and it's going to take me back to the tile. Then I'm going to come and I'm going to click on the next thing that I need to do. I need to come to my math review. It says head on over to Nearpod to do today's math review. Today's Nearpod code is MSQAB. Please type in your name when it asks for your name. I mean that. I need to know who you are, so typing in your nickname that all your friends call you is not going to help me know who you are. If you click on Nearpod right there, it's going to take you to Nearpod, and it tells you the code. I'm going to type in our code. If I forgot, I'm going to open this up. MSQAB. And it does it all capitalized for you, so you don't need to worry about that. And I'm going to click join. Then it pops up, and where it says name/nickname, you're going to type in your own name, not somebody else's name, not your nickname that your friends call you, your name. If you want to just type your first name, that's okay. Mrs. Sanchez. I'm going to click join session. And then it's going to start going through, and you get to go through and scroll through on your own. Once you're finished with our math review, you click close note. And then you're going to come to your next tile, which is reading. You're reading for 30 minutes. You can do this on Sora. You know how to get onto Sora, Epic, or an actual book that you have at home. We haven't used Epic in class yet, but the instructions for Epic are all right here. So I'm going to click on Epic. It says enter your class code, RDD. So I'm going to type that in, RDD, and it doesn't matter if the first part's capitalized, 4560. Go. And then it's going to pull up, and you're going to scroll, and you're going to find your name, and then you're going to enter and explore Epic if that's how you choose to spend your 30 minutes reading. Once you've read for 30 minutes, you close your note. You come to Lexia. You all know how to get onto Lexia. Spend 20 minutes. Remember, I can see how much time you're spending. I can see how many units you are getting. So you want to make sure that you are spending the time on Lexia that you need to spend. You click on Lexia, guess where it takes you? Oh, well, once again, because this is an iPad, I would need to actually download the app. So if you are on a tablet, if you are on an iPad, ST Math and Lexia both have apps that they want you to use. You can use that there. If you are on a computer, it will work just like it normally does. With writing, you're going to come and you're going to go to Utah Compose. This week, you're writing a story about a spaceship. Your goal is to get a 24 or higher. And if you forgot how to get to Utah Compose or how to log in, the instructions are right here. If you have forgotten your username and or your password, please email me. You can email me or you can call me.
you should have my phone number. Email me, call me, let me know that you need your login for Utah Compose. I have that and I can get that to you very easily. For science, come to science and you're going to watch some videos on Brain Pop. You're going to have to type in the username, and the username is Lincoln UT for Utah, because remember we used to be Lincoln Elementary before we were Liberty. The password is just POP. Sanchez. Wednesday, I just want you to watch these videos. Thursday and Friday, you're going to create a PowerPoint about what you learned after watching these videos. I will let you know on Thursday more details about your assignment. Again, if you're having trouble logging onto BrainPop, please let me know. Then we're going to click Close Note. Miss Dean was awesome and she gave us some great counseling resources. So, oh, these haven't actually been linked on here yet. I will fix that because right now you don't actually have access to the resources that Mrs. Dean gave me. So I